Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna be installing new injectors because I had RC 1200cc injectors that I got for a good price, but I didn't know they were low impedance injectors, which means they need like lower current. So in order to run these in this car with K-Pro, I needed to install a resistor box, which I did not want to do because I did not want to tap into some wires and then fucking mess up the whole original harness and everything. So I ended up buying some new injectors, ID injectors, Injector Dynamics, 1300 cc's. These are high impedance. So right now I am getting ready to cut these old connectors off and install these new ones. Splice these, and then I have to put the wire into this pin, and then once it's in the pin I have to put it in this connector. So yeah.
Got it bumping. Got it bumping.
Well, I just finished installing the injectors, wiring them up, pinning them, this and that. I clean this mess up in a few. I also gotta relocate this fucking catch can setup. I don't like how the lines cover the turbo. The turbo looks sexy with like these lines covering it.